Good morning, students. I am Jerry Wheeler, your economics teacher, and in previous video we have learned about national income and its related aggregates, in which we have learned about domestic territory. This is our second chapter. So today our new topic is normal residents. As we have learned the word normal many times in English, normal you have learned that common. Okay. Now the word next comes is residents. So what is resident here? So let's understand. A normal resident of a country refers to an individual or an institution who ordinarily resides in a country for a period more than 1 year and whose center of economic interest lies in that country. Now the two words come here. First one is what? Ordinarily reside, and second is what? Center of economic interest. If you understand these two words, so we can understand the meaning of normal resident. They are saying basically the person, or the, you can say, individual, or you can say in the organization who is residing in our country, who's living in our country ordinarily for a period more than 1 year. How much duration? For a period more than 1 year, and whose center of economic interest means that who is earning here, who is purchasing here, who is spending here, who is saving in same country, in this country only. So these two things: first, who resides ordinarily resides in a country, and whose center of economic interest lies in our country only, those persons and those organizations will be called normal residents of our country. I hope it is clear. If not clear, so let's take example. Let's take example. As I said, an individual, like individual, you can say like Salman, Amitabh Bachchan, Mukesh Ambani. These all are called individual. MS Dhoni. Okay, these all are what? Individual. Or you can say an organization. Now organization, so we can say TCS. Okay, Tata, Reliance, Infosys, CRM. These all are called organizations. So these all are residing in our country only. Either it's Salman, either it's Amitabh Bachchan, either it's Mukesh Ambani. These are individuals. Either it's Tata, Reliance, Infosys, CRM, TCS. These all are residing in our country only. That's why they are called normal resident of our country, because they are earning here, they are spending here, and they are saving here also. That's why they are called what? Normal resident of our country. Okay, it's clear. Now next topic is come, which persons, or we can say which organizations we will not include in normal residents. So first one is coming what? Foreign tourist and visitors. Now what are means that what they are means by foreign tourists and visitors? Those peoples who are coming here in India as a to spend their holiday, or you can say for you can say for a traveling purpose only, or for medical treatment, or or you can say for conferences, for sports, any person like that. Those persons will not be called normal resident of our country. Like example, we can take Malinga is coming in our country for playing IPL, and then he is going from here, and then again he is earning from India, but he is spending their money in where? Sri Lanka only, because he is a normal resident of Sri Lanka. He is living there only. Okay, so he will be not called the resident of normal resident of our country. Okay. And second coming what? International organizations. Now international organizations, like some organizations are there, WHO and others are there, who are whose offices are in our country. So those organizations will not be called the normal resident, because their economic interest lies in other country. Then comes what? Foreign staff of embassies located in the given country. Now what? Foreign staff, like you can say example America. This is the, suppose this is the embassy of America. So those people who are working in this embassy, those who belongs to America only, so they will be not called the normal resident of our country, they will be called normal resident of America only. It is clear to you? Then fourth is coming what? Employees of international organization. Employees of international organization. Who? Employees of international organization. Okay. Now who are called the employees of international organization? You can say like those who are working in WHO, and you can say like more you can say UFO. These are what? International organizations. Those people who are working in these organizations are not called the resident of these or resident of our country, they will be called the resident of their respective country only. Then come at last what? Border workers. Now what do you mean by border workers? Border workers basically are called countries which borders are very near to our country. Like if you can take example of Nepal, see, you can say Nepal border is very near to our country, so peoples are frequently are Nepal people, those who are citizens or you can say normal citizen of Nepal, they are frequently are coming in India and they are going back to Nepal back, but they are coming here for work purpose. Okay, so they will be not called our resident, normal resident, they will be called resident of their country only. Okay, because they are frequently coming here and then they are going back, they are not living here for 1 year. Okay, so they will be not called the normal resident of our countries. Okay, these are the points which we need to clear here. And suppose that we can say example, Virat Kohli is also going to Sri Lanka for playing a tour, okay, for cricket. So Virat Kohli will not be called the resident of Sri Lanka because he is earning money there, but he will spend in India only. Okay, so he will be called resident of India only. Clear to you or not? I hope it is clear to you. Now some points are there which are confusing people, suppose that uh, this example I can take Jacqueline Fernandez. You have heard the name of Jacqueline Fernandez many times. Now Jacqueline Fernandez is a citizen of Sri Lanka. Now what is the meaning of this citizen? Citizenship is basically a legal concept. What is citizenship? It is basically a legal concept based upon two things. Who will be called a citizen of a country? Citizen of a country will be called a person who is born on that country. Okay, or you can say by some legal provisions. For example, I can say Amitabh Bachchan born in India only, so he will be called a citizen of India. Okay, normal resident is different thing and citizen is different thing. Okay, citizenship is different thing. So Amitabh Bachchan will be called the citizen of India. Jacqueline Fernandez has taken birth in Sri Lanka, so she will be called citizen of Sri Lanka only. She will not call a citizen of India only. India, okay. But now you will be confusing that, sir, Adnan Sami has taken birth in Pakistan. Adnan Sami, okay, maybe you have heard, he's a singer, very good singer. He has taken birth in Pakistan, but now he is called the Indian citizen. So how it is possible? It is possible through some legal provisions. Okay, a person can be called or can get the citizenship of a country by taking birth on that country or by some legal provisions. So by some legal provisions, Adnan Sami became the citizen of India. Okay, and he left the citizenship of Pakistan. So these two are points through which a person can become the citizen of a country. Now the question is that Jacqueline Fernandez, okay, Jacqueline Fernandez is a citizen of Sri Lanka, but she is living in India for a period more than 1 year, and she is earning from here, she is spending here, even she is saving here also. Maybe you have seen many times to her. Even in lockdown period, she's her album is coming. Okay, so basically, as you know, as you have understood that she is a citizen of Sri Lanka, but she is a normal resident of India. This is my question to you. Just think about this. Is Jacqueline Fernandez is a normal resident of India? So my answer is yes. She is a normal resident of India. Why? Because she is earning here, she is spending here, and she is saving here also, because her center of economic interest lies in this country only. Therefore, she will be called normal resident of India, but she will be called citizen of Sri Lanka. Clear to you? In the same way, I have given an example of Virat Kohli also. Virat Kohli is going to what? Sri Lanka, but she is not living there for more than 1 year. So he will not call the normal resident of Sri Lanka. He will be called as normal resident of India only. Okay. So I hope it is clear to you who will be called normal resident and who will be called citizen of India. Okay. So in next video we will talk about factor income. Okay. Till then, thank you.